right, so we're gonna get a crash course in spraying closed cell insulation here. Our plumbers are coming tomorrow and we have to insulate behind the tubs because of code requires. So this tub right here is gonna sit in this corner there and across this back wall in this area. So we have to insulate all this behind the tub, and we have to put tyvek on this wall so moisture doesn't get to the wood. And in order to do that, because we're not ready for insulation in the entire house, in order to do that, we've bought the old handy dandy flash pack at Lowe's. So here it is. Got our 2 tanks, our applicator, all that good stuff. Got our moon suit, respirator, and some goggles. Wish us luck. Here we go. So there's our gun. We have different nozzles depending on what kind of application we want. Oops. We want a fan nozzle because we want to spread this stuff out and fill the cavities in this wall. It's my first rodeo, so we're learning together. So they give you a little bit of petroleum jelly, or Vaseline as we call it. Put on the tip of the nozzle. Now let's get our moon suit on. Our respirator and spray some of this stuff. Makes you wonder if you have to wear all this stuff just to spray this. Do you really want it in your house? Whatever. Oh. All right, we got our moon suit on, respirator, goggles, see how it goes. Oh, I gotta shake it. All right, good morning. So this is take 2 on our insulating behind our bathtubs. So yesterday we had the spray foam tanks. Unfortunately, the spray foam tanks were empty. Somebody had bought them from Lowe's, and then they went home and used them, and then they emptied them, and then they packaged it back up, brought it back to Lowe's, returned it. We got it here. Nothing. We got like 3 square feet out of that thing. So we took it back, and that was the only one they had. So we just said, the heck with it. We're going to do some R15 bats. We're just going to put bats behind the fiberglass bats behind the tubs. So I'll turn you around, show you what we got with our fiberglass bats behind the tubs. So this is where the tub's going. We've insulated up above the height of the tub. Insulated there. So that's the insulation. Got it in. And this side over here, where this tub is, I've already insulated it. As you can see behind here. Insulation's behind there. And then per code, you have to put this house wrap behind your tub. I guess it's moisture and air barrier. So this side's ready. This side's ready to set the tub. Good to go. And then over here in the other bathroom, insulation's up. Insulation's up. We just have to put the tyvek up, cut it, and put the tyvek up, and it'll be done and ready for that tub to slide back. All right, so there it is. That's our daughter's bathroom. And this is the bathroom our boys are gonna share. Insulated, tyvek, ready to set tubs. So there you have it. Tubs have been set there. And this tub's been set. Our tyvek behind there, we're insulated well behind them and good to go. Ready to plumb them in.